everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be hiding some yarn ends. So you're going to need your item that you're working on. Mine is a little dog or cat hoodie. We'll call it pet hoodie because I've had people use these even on little piglets. So, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it inside out to start. Okay. And then we are going to find one of our threads. Let's go with this purple one. And we will thread our needle. And we are just going to weave it into the same color area, okay? So let's say I was doing this yellow one, I would use the yellow one up into the yellow. So you would always do it into the color area that it is related to. And then you do a couple of passes. Oh, sorry. I pulled my needle right off my yarn. Okay, so you do a couple of passes. Now, this is where we're anchoring it, so we don't have to do any knots. So my working yarn is coming out here. I'm going to go just a bit behind it and then past it, and that's going to anchor the yarn so you don't have to do any knots. And we're going to do that a couple of times. Here we go. One more time. There we go. And that, my friends, is how you hide your yarn end. So I hope this was valuable information to you, and have a great day. Bye now.